These routine checks prevent the most common chemical filling stoppages. The issue is usually splashing, compatibility issues, operator exposure, and inaccurate fills on difficult liquids. When this is ignored, the machine can look busy while the line is still losing output, product, or operator time. The cost is not only the reject pack. It is rework, cleaning, stoppages, missed orders, and operators compensating for a process that should be controlled by the machinery. The practical check is simple: show product compatibility checks, filling nozzles, container control, and safe handling. Do this before you choose the final machine specification, not after the machine has been installed. Technically, chemical filling needs the right materials, pump technology, filling method, guarding, and extraction where required. That is why two products that appear similar can need very different machinery setups. Typical applications include cleaning products, oils, lubricants, household chemicals, and industrial liquids. The right solution depends on your product, pack format, output target, and the level of automation you want to reach. If you are comparing packaging machinery, send Lansing UK your product, container, closure, label, or pack format, required output, and any videos of your current process. We can help you review the right route before you spend money on the wrong machine.